There's sometimes that we get in too deep on something that we don't know how to deal with. I love being that person that has such a skill and such experience in an area that is very difficult, very scary for people to go through, and to help them understand that it's gonna be okay and that we're gonna be able to get them through it. From the very beginning, our focus 100% has been on outcome and client service.
We really represent everyone, people from all different walks of life, people who've never been in trouble before. We represent people who have had problems in the past. Maybe they've gone to prison. For us, it doesn't make a difference. What matters is that we're here to fight for our clients. We handle all types of cases here at Grand Canyon Law Group. Simple cases from low-level petty crimes or misdemeanors, all the way up to the most serious felonies, first-degree murder and everything else in between.
We do have several niches that we do a lot of work in. We do a lot of sex-related offenses. They have to be handled in a very specific way. We find that we do a great deal of domestic violence offenses, which again, have to be handled correctly depending on the court that you are in. Another area that we do a lot of cases in is DUIs. We do them all over the state. We are former DUI prosecutors, and so we know how to go about getting the best results in those cases.
Our main office is located on Gilbert and Brown Road in Mesa, but we serve the entire valley and really we serve the entire state.
It's important to have somebody, an attorney, who's familiar with a particular court, because it's important to know how a judge tends to rule. It's important to know, really especially, how a prosecuting agency goes about the negotiation of the case, how likely they are to try the case, what are our options as far as outcomes, and really it does many times come down to a better outcome if you have more familiarity with the court.
Ryan and I and our team have been just about to every single court in the entire state, and so we're licensed throughout Arizona and we handle cases just about everywhere. Here at Grand Canyon Law Group, we have a team approach to all of our cases. It's not just the attorney who's handling the case by himself or herself. Instead, you have a dedicated attorney who handles that case. Additionally, there is a secondary attorney that handles the case along with the primary attorney.
Also have a dedicated paralegal and a dedicated legal assistant. Each of these people are doing really important parts of your case. They are all part of your legal team. You will have access to each member of your team.
We know that being charged with a crime can be terrifying and it can be overwhelming. And we're here to help all of our clients feel like they have the best representation out there. What drives me every single day is I know that people make mistakes, and sometimes people find themselves in trouble with the law, they're arrested, and they don't know what to do. And what I take the most pride in is helping people out of difficult situations where we can help turn their lives around despite whatever circumstance just happened to them.